Hi everyone, bonjour, bonsoir, welcome back for another video. This one is an update on Zion's hair. As you guys remember, he had his undercut for a while, he grew it out. The last update you guys saw on him, this was filmed very shortly after, but I just never uploaded it. So this is still around 5-6 months of hair growth, and we're going to lock it up today because he wants his undercut to be baby locks. So we did an instant lock on his undercut, and he did not care that they're this short. I think somebody asked me to put extensions on them or something like that, but he doesn't want that. He just wants them to grow. So let's hop right into it to show you guys how I did that braid you just saw. So I take a row of his mature locks, original locks, and then his new instant locks. I take another row of that because I only made one row, and I'm just gonna go ahead and barrel them together in a way that really camouflages that he has super short locks on the sides. The same lock barrel method that you guys have seen a million times is what I'm using. And if you guys remember, this is the video where his last update was, where I braided his sides and I just parted that into the baby locks, and I instant locked them with our crochet tool, which you guys can find in our Etsy shop or our website. Everything is in the description box if you're looking for the products we use, the oils. And just like his dad, we have not used any gel on his hair, any product other than oils, preferably moringa oil for him because of his eczema, which flares up at any given time during the year. So we use moringa oil on his hair only, and it has helped a lot with his eczema. So pretty much when I get to the bottom, I braid it and I'm tucking those little baby locks in. I'm tucking them, and once I go past them, I just start braiding as normal. And that's it. That's how I did the braids on the sides, and from this, I went ahead and did that on both sides and just created a little funky style from it. And you guys will see that as the video goes on. And this is me continuing his retwist with a little transition you guys might have seen on IG. And went ahead and retwisted his whole head. Once again, we do not use any gel, any holding product whatsoever. This is straight up oil. And here is his style that we did. I just kind of used the braids on the side to just make a creative style.